Our lesson for today is about numbers up to 10,000. Where can we find numbers? We can find numbers everywhere. First, for example, we can find numbers in our books, at schools, the libraries, phones, gadgets, cars, bus stops, train stations, markets, and of course in our money, the Thai baht. First, let's begin reading these vocabulary words. Repeat after me. Place value. Tens, thousands, ones, hundreds, 10,000s. This time, read these words by yourself. In writing in words and the place value and the value of underlined digit. Repeat after me. Words. Place value. Value. Let's start. First example. We have 3,478. Try to read this number by yourself. Very good. In words, this is 3,478. Now, in reading this number in words, sometimes you can use AND or AND between 470. Either way, with the word AND or without, it's still correct. What is our underlined digit in this number? Yes, it's digit 3. The place value is in the thousands place, or we can read 3,000s. What is the value? Correct, 3,000. The difference in the place value and the value is we have to write the words THOUSANDS. And for the value, we will use zeros, which is 3, and 3 zeros. For the second example, digit 6,908. Please read the number by yourself. Correct. 6,908. The place value of digit 6 is 6,000. And the value is 6,000. For the last example, try by yourself and check your answer. And the answer is 2,638. The place value is 2,000. And the value is 2,000. Very good. We will learn place value of 4-digit numbers. We have given one example below, 5,892, or we can read this number as 5,892. Read this number by yourself. To identify each digit, the place value, we can start with the last digit. What is the last digit? Yes, it's 2. Digit 2 is in the ones place. What is the place value of digit 2? Yes, it's correct. Ones. How about digit 9? Very good. Tens. Digit 8 is in what place value? Hundreds. Correct. And the last digit, digit 5, what is the place value? Thousands. Repeat after me. Let us read these words together. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. The place value of each digit. Repeat after me. 2 ones, 9 tens, 8 hundreds, 5 thousands. Now, we will consider what is the difference between place value and the value. Digit 2, the value is 2. Digit 9, the value is 90 or 90. Digit 8, the value is 800 or 800. And digit 5 is 5,000. 5, 000. Please remember to separate between thousands and hundreds. We will use a comma. Can you please read the number? Yes, it's correct. 3,124. Let us represent this number using different blocks. We have 4 place values: ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Read these words by yourself. Now, in the ones place, what digit? Yes, it's 4. We will use 4 small squares to represent 4 ones. Next, what digit is in the tens place? Yes, it's 2 or 2 tens. We will use 2 rectangles because each rectangle represents 1 10. Since digit 2 is in the 2 tens, we will use 2 rectangles to represent 2 tens or 20. Next, in the hundreds place, what digit? It's correct. Digit 1. This time we will use big square because 1 square represents 100. Now, for the thousands, what are we going to use? We will use the big cube because each cube contains 10 hundreds or hundreds. Digit 3 is in the thousands place. That's why we will use 3 cubes. Let's read together using the blocks. 4 ones, 2 tens, 100. No S because it's only 1. 3 thousands. In writing in words and the place value and the value of underlined digit. Repeat after me. Words. Place value. Value. Let's start first example. We have 3, 4, 7, 8. Try to read this number by yourself. Very good. In words, this is 3,478. Now, in reading this number in words, sometimes you can use AND or AND between 470. Either way, with the word AND or without, it's still correct. What is our underlined digit in this number? Yes, it's digit 3. The place value is in the thousands place, or we can read 3,000s. What is the value? Correct, 3,000. The difference in the place value and the value is we have to write the words THOUSANDS. And for the value, we will use zeros, which is 3, and 3 zeros. For the second example, digit 6,908. Please read the number by yourself. Correct, 6,908. The place value of digit 6 is 6,000, and the value is 6,000. For the last example, try by yourself and check your answer. And the answer is 2,638. The place value is 2,000, and the value is 2,000. Very good. This time, we will write the number in the expanded form. What is an expanded number? We learned in P2 that expanded means adding the value of its digits. I will show you two examples, number 1 and number 2. We have the number 2,345. Which one is an expanded form of 2,345? Is it 1 or 2? Choose your answer. Which do you think is correct? Yes, it's number 2. Now, what about the standard form of a number? Standard means normal. Given two examples, 1 and number 2, we have 2,345. Which one is in the standard form of a number? Which do you think is correct? 1 or 2? Say your answer. Let us check. The answer is number 1. Very good. Now, I will show you some examples and you will give the standard form of a number using block system. Count how many thousands, how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones. What is your answer? Very good. It's 4,122. Another example. Represent the following numbers with blocks. This time, you can draw by yourself in a piece of paper. We have 2,250. Ready? Check your answer. Very good. We have 2 cubes, 2 squares, and 5 rectangles, and 0 ones. Next, 1,010 is expressed as. This time, write it in number. Example number 3. Write in numerals and in words. Count how many cubes, how many squares, how many rectangles, and how many small squares. Write in numerals and in words. Do by yourself and check your answer. Example number 4. This time, try to write these number words in numerals. Are you correct? Very good. Numerals. From expanded form, change to standard form of a number. And check your answer. Example number 7. Write the answers in numerals. 7,300, 12 tenths, and 8 ones. How many zeros are there in thousands? Yes, there are 3 zeros. How about hundreds? 2 zeros. How about in 12 tenths? How many zeros are there in tenths? 1 zero. That means 12 tenths is equal to 120. And then 8 ones. Yes, there are no zeros in 8 ones. So it's only digit 8. Add these values to get the number in numerals. Check your answer. Next, example. 5 thousandths, 8 tenths, and 26 ones. Check your answer. Example number 8. Complete the table using these numbers. 5,555. Digit 5 is in the thousands place. Digit 5 is in the hundreds place. Digit 5 is in the tens place. And digit 5 in the ones place. Expanded form. Example number 9. Using the block system, write the digit in the table below. 1,200, 4 tenths, 9 ones. Or this number is 1,249. The value is 1000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 9. In 1249, the digit blank is in the thousands place. Digit 1. It stands for blank. 1000. No S because 1 is singular. The value is 1000. 1, comma, and then 3 zeros. Find the place value and the value. Check your answer and do it first by yourself. Fill in the boxes. Okay, this time do the exercises by yourself from pages 2 to 11. Good luck!